Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom, and boy, are we going to have some fun today. We are going to make these chocolate bowls. They're so fun and festive for an occasion or a fancy time when you have people over for a really nice dinner or just for a fun surprise for the kids. You can fill them with candy, you can fill them with fruit or a scoop of sherbet for dessert or whatever you like. They're just fun, an edible chocolate bowl. What could be more fun than that? Now this one is made from white chocolate, and I tried to streak in a little brown there, which you can do to make it kind of look like a tulip with variegated petals. This one obviously is just chocolate, but you can make them so many colors. These are melting discs. Here's some blue ones, yellow, brown. You can buy pink, green, so many colors, and you can mix them. So I'm going to show you. First, you need little balloons. This is the thing the chocolate goes on. And it just makes a perfect little bowl, and you can do it a high, really deep bowl or just a little bare kind of a saucer. Now I'm going to try something goofy here. I'm going to dip this one in chocolate, in the dark brown semi-sweet type chocolate, and then in white, just to give it that variegated, show you what I'm talking about. See how fun that is? You get streaks. And then you put it on waxed paper. Now, those of you who know me will not be surprised to see that I couldn't stand having a box of wax paper that didn't say waxed, so I added ED. It's waxed, it's not wax. And those of you that don't know me very well are now going, okay, I see what kind of person you are. So here's what you do. You put this on wax paper, or you could use parchment or foil, and then you chill it in your fridge. And when it's totally set and dry, then you take scissors, I won't do it now because it's all wet, and you just simply pop it, and the balloon goes, and you lift it out, and you've got a little chocolate bowl like this. It's just so fun. Kids love to do it. My only caution is don't let the chocolate get too hot or your balloon will pop and chocolate will go everywhere. I speak from experience. So anyway, have fun making these chocolate bowls. And be sure to go to my website, jonihilton.com, and buy my books and tell your friends to subscribe. We'll see you next time.